Hello friends, welcome to the second part of car hybrid conversion kit video. Now we will continue with the last video's topic. There are two major challenges in market while you are purchasing the new electric car. First challenge we have seen is the charging infrastructure. So there is no much charging infrastructure available all everywhere in India. Second challenge which we are facing with the new electric vehicles is the charging time. Many people don't have that much awareness and knowledge, so they are thinking many companies have provided fast charging and now we can charge our car in 1 hour or 1.5 hours and we can run for hundreds of kilometers. But fast charging is not recommended by any manufacturer. In emergency, you can just go for a fast charging. Currently, the battery technologies and the life of the battery are not allowing that batteries to charge it quickly, fastly, every time. So in emergency you can use fast charging, but ideally there is the 8 hours or 10 hour charging is required. So then only you will get the maximum capacity, maximum life of that battery. So with this case, now many people are there. If you check on the social media, many people are there who has already bought the car, and after some time, after some kilometers, after some period, when that battery get damaged means it finish its life, and once it finish its lives, then people goes to the company or workstation and they have asked for the replacement of the battery. But then that company says ki now you have already completed your cycles, the life of the battery, and we cannot replace this battery. Now you have to purchase the new battery. So if you go to purchase new battery, then battery price is more than 8 lakh, 10 lakh, 12 lakh rupees. So now the market is getting again confused. We are accepting the EV for nature, we are accepting the EV for country, and we are accepting the EV to save our money. But after some time, if we want to face these challenges, so solution should be there. So what solution government can bring out is the technologies and to support to the people, those who can develop and who are investing their time, money and efforts behind the technology development. Here we have not taken any support from government, we have not taken any support from industry, but from last 12 years we are trying on our own level what technologies we can develop and how we can serve better and more suitable product to the Indian market. So that's why we have developed this product with the swappable battery system. Here you don't require much capacity of the battery. This will be the first adoption stage where the people don't want to spend lot of money, people don't want to throw their vehicles, and people don't want to change immediately their existing comfortable and existing accepted vehicles, because there is the again one big challenge with the new vehicles, unique models or EVs, like every vehicle in India which is successful are having their own aftermarket spare parts, and unorganized service sector means roadside mechanics are able to repair that vehicles. This is the main thing which we need to understand in Indian market. If you want to make any model successful, the aftermarket spare part should be there, and the roadside mechanics, unorganized service sector should be able to service and maintain that vehicle. With these two challenges, now new EVs as well as the new products, which is we have seen in BS6, and now again government is going on the upper norms. So there now the technology changed, and the unorganized sector is not that much able to maintain that vehicles or repair that vehicles. So what is happening now? The people are again moving towards the old vehicles, the regular technologies, or the those vehicles. Any roadside mechanic can repair that vehicle, and we can get the spare parts anywhere in India. So that's why people will go more for conversion, but they are waiting for the technologies which are more economy, which are more easy to convert, and which are more easy for charging infrastructure. So here some points I would like to explain with you. While we are using these two motors in hub of the wheel, why we have used hub motors in this system? Because you don't need to do any change in the vehicle basic structure. So what we have done is the developed brake system. Brake system is standard brake system. So for repair and maintenance you can get from anywhere. This is the common parts which is available in the market. And hub motor, because of it's in the wheel, so we are getting good torque directly through wheel, so the running parts are less, maintenance is less. As well, your vehicle become a four-wheel drive. Now the front two wheels are running through engine, and rear two wheels are running through the motors. So while running through motors, when you get the four-wheel drive, so that driving experience is different. So it is more helpful on all terrains, and also the while it's going through the four-wheel drive, so you can use according to your requirement. Sometime if you wish to use front wheel drive, you can use front wheel drive. Sometime if you wish to use rear wheel drive, you can use rear wheel drive. And sometime if you want to use four wheel drive, you can use four wheel drive. So this is the main advantage which you are getting with after conversion of your vehicle. Second main part is the batteries. Batteries weight is, a single battery weight is 21 kg only. So you can place this, and it's splitted with two battery packs, because here we have separate motors, one motor, one controller, and one battery pack. So this is the complete one unit, and another we have one motor, one controller, and one battery pack. So these two independent systems are working together. Acceleration is together. Batteries are separate, controllers are separate, and the motors are separate. Now you will have one question: how the differential system will get work while you are using two different motors and one accelerator? So two different motors will behave differently, and how the differential action will get work? Don't worry, it get managed by the electronic system which is already inbuilt in the controller, and which is the basic advantage of the BLDC motors. The one main advantage of the BLDC motors is they are itself, these controllers and the motors are itself capable to manage differential action. That on this point, if you want to learn more while you are coming into our 2 days EV conversion training program and business training program, so that time we will explain you this point very clearly, how it is happening, and we can show it practically. So there is no issue with the differential action. Another thing, once the battery gets splitted, so it is simply able to do swapping. So here you can simply swap the battery. Placement of the battery, now you get the freedom. You can space in the boot space, place these batteries in the boot space, or you can place these batteries under the seat. So according to the space availability, because here we are going for a hybrid conversion, so we are not disturbing your existing engine, that compartment or anything we are not fixing except accelerator, throttle and the SOC, battery level indication. Only these two things we are placing at dashboard. Remaining all things are on the rear side. So entirely front side your engine and entire things, existing things are there, and on the rear side now we are placing two batteries in the boot space, and it is taking lesser space than the CNG cylinder. So that is the main advantage. You are getting the more space in dicky, so you can place another luggage also over there. Second main advantage what we are getting here is the battery is splitted. This battery capacity is 2.5 kilowatt, means it comes in 76.8 volt and 32 Ah. These batteries are approved according to the CMVR rules AIS 156 part 2. These batteries are approved, and it has a, according to the new standard safety standards of government, these batteries are having the CAN communication, the chargers are having the CAN communication. So while charging, these battery and charger communicate with each other like other cars have that facility. The charging station and the charger and the batteries get communicated with each other, and if the battery has a higher temperature, then charger don't start charging, it will wait till the temperature get down, and it already have the all safety parameters or the check with the automatic communication. These batteries are already having multiple sensor, minimum 4 sensors inside the battery pack. So on any part if the battery getting heated, the BMS will automatically shut down the battery. Now if you see here, there is the temperature sensor for outside, it detect the outside temperature, as well as similarly 4 sensors are already inside the battery. Here we can see the speaker. This speaker is for if the battery get rise their its temperature, so this will alarm automatically. So itself inside the battery it has a functions where it will make a sound, it will alarm you, it will alert you. So now you cannot use this battery and you can safely, and itself also it the BMS safely it will switch off the battery and save itself. So these are the main majorly safety standards which government has already announced, and now it is mandatory, it is compulsory to all electric vehicles should have with these standards. Another main advantage which we are getting is the charging points. After splitting this battery, now this one battery capacity is 2.5 kilowatt. So it required, there is the charging time which we are giving is 3.2 to 3.5 hours. Ideally all types of lithium ion, lithium ferrous phosphate, NMC and LFP batteries should be charged in more than 3 hours. If you go for a fast charging, then batteries will degrade fastly and you will not get the complete cycles or the complete capacity of that battery. So when you are charging with 3 plus hours, the battery gets completely fully charged, and we are getting the complete range from these batteries. So if it is the 2.5 kilowatt battery and charge in 3 plus hours, so your 1 hour charging current or the power requirement is less than 1 kilowatt. So on less than 1 kilowatt you can charge these batteries with the any normal 5 ampere plug, means where you are charging your mobiles, that plug also, that point also able to charge these batteries. With these batteries it means you don't need to put a special connection for charging of your car. You don't need to go to the charging station to charge your cars. Anywhere you can just remove the battery and charge it, or on car also you can charge it. So this is the main advantage we are getting with this kit. So now you are thinking to convert your car with hybrid conversion. So which cars we can convert? Now ideally for 3-4 models we have made this system, and according to your requirement we can make, according to your car we can make a customized axle development like original axle. Similarly we will develop it, test it on our level, then we will approve it and then deliver to you. So this one is according as you are thinking, you are the you want to use for your personal use. So there also we can help. And many peoples after seeing this technology and after watching this video, now you have started thinking about the business. There is the huge potential in India. There are number of cars, there are number of peoples, those who want to convert their car into the electric, because now they are very much frustrated with the fuel prices. They also want to do something for nature, and they are also willing to do something for our country, because when every day we are spending a lot of money on the fuel, fossil fuel, and completely fuel get imported, and once it import it takes a huge cost, we are sending every day out of country. Now many people have already shifted on the CNG, but now again the CNG prices also get increased, and main challenge with CNG is the lane for refilling. There is the huge lanes, and you have to waste your time, valuable time over there. So now many people are again shifting from CNG to petrol or diesel. According to government rules, now after some time they are trying to control the diesel vehicles. So maybe in future you will not see the diesel cars or diesel vehicles because of their pollution level. Many state governments has already come out with the scrapping policy. So after 15 years, like a Delhi government has already announced, after 15 years you cannot use your petrol vehicle and you have to compulsory scrap it, or another option is there, you can convert it into the electric. Fully electric conversion will allow in this case, not the hybrid conversion. But if you go for fully electric conversion, it means if you have a car which are completing its life of 15 years in Delhi, currently in Delhi, and slowly now it is getting implemented in every state. So if you have a car which are already having which are passing their its life of 15 years, so now that car you can convert with the approved conversion kit. Approved, it's more important, it's most important. The kit should be approved with the safety standards. Kit should be approved with the AIS standard. Only that kit you can fix with your car, and you can continue that vehicle's life will be increased for next 5 years. And again after 5 years, if the vehicle is vehicle fitness is there, the vehicle is fit, again also you can continue with the fitness test, you can continue that vehicle for next 5 years. So every 5 years you can just do the fitness and continue the vehicle life. So for conversion, fully electric conversion, we can go for a after end of the life of vehicle. And for hybrid conversion, now people are already having the vehicles which are less than 15 years. Suppose you have a car which you brought before 8 years, 10 years, or 5 years, or 2 years, or 1 year, and now you are facing challenges with the fuel cost, you are facing challenges with the pollution, you are facing challenges with the maintenance of the vehicle. So now you can go for a hybrid conversion. Those people who have vehicles lesser than 15 years life, they can go for a hybrid conversion till the 15 years. They can enjoy, they can save, and they can control the pollution. Now in hybrid system, how it is working exactly? So while you are using the car, you can directly give the acceleration of electric, or both acceleration will be synchronized with each other, and you can run all entire system together. So what will happen here, your fuel efficiency will get doubled. And once the battery get discharged, then again while you are using the braking, these controllers are regenerative and sine wave controllers. So while you are braking, your entire system will get the batteries will get charged automatically through the motor will regenerate the current, and through controller it will get converted into the DC, and it will go to the battery, and this system the charge the batteries again. It means if you run vehicle for 70, 80 or 100 kilometer, and after battery get discharged, then again you will get you can run you can continue your journey on the petrol or the fuel, and battery will get again charged. Battery will take the more time to get full charge, but while you are running, the battery will get faster charging than the normal time, because once the battery reaches above 80%, then it takes more time to finish or balancing, but up to 80% it gets fastly charged. So it will not take that much time as a normal charging to charge on board, charge on the vehicle, charge while running. So this one is the main advantage. So continuously you can travel with this system, so you can get the complete range, completely additional benefit through the hybrid conversion. Or sometimes if you don't want to use the engine power, so you can simply, like you are running on highways or express highways, so simply you can run on the electric mode. In that case, your steering should be operated, your brake should be operated, and your AC should be operated. So what you will do, you will put vehicle in the neutral position, and you will just use the electric acceleration. So in this case, you are just consuming the battery, you are not consuming much fuel while using in the ideal condition. And those people don't want to use engine while running also, then they need to replace their AC compressor with the electric operated AC compressor. They need to replace their brake booster pump with the electrically operated booster pump, and they need to replace their hydraulic steering system with the electric steering system. Then if engine is not on, then there will be no issue with the running of the vehicle. Yeah, some synchronizations and some modification we need to do in the programming or the relevant parts of the vehicles, and that we will take care for that. We have experts for that, and when we will convert your vehicle, we will take care for that. So you don't need to worry about that. Now we come on the point. If you wish to convert your vehicle, you can simply visit GoGoA1.com website, and you can book your conversion kit. After completing the approval process, we will fix this kit with your vehicle and register with RTO and deliver to you. Where you can get conversion? So there are number of centers all over India of the GoGoA1.com's RTO approved authorized conversion centers. You can check on our website for your nearest conversion center, or we already have a setup in Mumbai, we have in Pune, Ahmednagar, Nagpur, we have in Gujarat, Ahmedabad, Baroda, Rajkot, Junagadh, in Jaipur, then Alwar, Delhi we have, UP Ghaziabad we have, then Karnataka, Hubli, Belgaum, then Bangalore, Chennai, then another place, Karur we have, then one more center there is there in Tamil Nadu. Hyderabad we have, then in Andhra, Vijayawada we have, and in Kerala also we have our center. On Andaman Nicobar we have our center. So on all these places you can, and now the centers are increasing fastly. So you can check on the GoGoA1.com for conversion center, and or you can directly call to us and get all details of center, get all details about the pricing. Entirely pricing is just only 2 lakh rupees. If you check in the market the component wise pricing or the battery pricing and everything, so we have tried to deliver you this technology in the minimal price, with the higher quality, with the good service, and with the good performance. So very soon we will present you the ready vehicle with this kit, and thanks for giving your time to watch our videos. Support us to save environment, support us to save fuel import, and support us to save people's unnecessary wasting money on the fuel burning. So thank you so much. If you wish you can subscribe, and if you like these videos you can just press the like button. If you have some question, so you can take the number which is mentioned in the description, and you can just WhatsApp us or call us for more details as well. If you have any question or if you have any suggestion, you can contact with us. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.